Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how can we implement the concept of overloading using Kotlin. But at first, what is overloading? Let's suppose that we have a function called find, and inside this function, we have defined, for example, barcode, for example, as double. Okay, so this function is called find, and it is used, for example, in supermarket application, and this function is used to find an items inside this supermarket according to the barcode. But now, what if I have another function, and this function also called find? Suppose that we have also another function, and this function also called find, but I need to search for the item name with another data type, which is string. In this case, this is called overloading. So what is overloading? Overloading is a multiple functions with the same name, which is, for example, find, but with different parameter. Like here, for example, the barcode is double and the name as string. Also, we can make different parameter with the number of the parameter. For example, I need for something like expire date, so, or price. So I need price, like, for example, the min price as double and max price as double. So I need to find an item between, for example, $5 and $10. So in this case, I have two parameters here. So this is also called overloading. So the difference may be in data type, like the first one with the second one, or with the number, like the first one with the third one. So let's create a simple example now. Let's create a class, for example, and let's call this class something like test. And now let's create a function, for example, called sum with two variables, x as an integer and also y as an integer. And let's suppose this function will be used to, of course, not echo println x plus y. Then I have created another function also called sum, but with three parameters: x as an integer, y as an integer, and also z as an integer. And the result was println x plus y plus z. So in this class, we have created two functions. The first function is called sum, and also the second one is called sum. But the main difference, the first one has only two parameters, while the second one has three parameters. Now, if we go here in the main, and we have created an object, for example, let's call it T of the class test. Now we can call a two function. As you can see here, when I put dot after the object name, it gives you two functions with the same name, but one, the first one with two parameters, while the second one with three parameters. So if I use the first one, 10 and 5, and what about the second one, for example, 8, 9, 2, in this case, I will got 15 for the first one and 19 for the second one. Let's try this one now. Yes, as you can see here, 15 and 19. So in this video, we have talked about how can we implement the concept of overloading using the Kotlin programming language. See you in the next video.